the day I was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. Hi, I'm Alok Goenka from Gurgaon. I was basically dealing into steel. For my pastime, I used to play cricket and it was my hobby. Sports, tennis, cricket, badminton, table tennis, etc. One day while playing tennis, I had severe pain in my ribs. I thought of it as just another sports injury, kept on playing and went back home. But the pain persisted this time for too long. So I got some medical tests done. After getting some blood test and regular test, I was prescribed HRCT by my doctor friend, and it in a way opened a Pandora box. What came out was a total disbelief for me. It was stage 4 lymphoma. Absolute shocker to me. How could it happen to me? I was so fit playing regularly. No vices, no alcohol, no smoking, early to sleep, early to rise. I have to accept it.
You were fit, active, healthy. Did you ever wonder what went wrong?
The only thing that came to my mind, maybe it was the stress that I was undergoing through due to my business. This may be the sole reason. Maybe. I'm not sure. Nobody can be sure, but I can attribute it to that. That's the basic learning I got from that. Things that you can't control, you have to let them go. You have to live your life and enjoy every moment of it. Kal ho na ho.
On the hardest days, what did strength look like?
Strength to me was more of a mental thing than physical. Every battle has to be won first in the mind, and your body follows. What your mind speaks, your body follows. Getting the treatment done, getting the chemo, even when your body has not recovered from the earlier cycle, still you have to go for another cycle for him. So you have to show up. I go down or feel low. How will they respond? I have to put up a brave face.
How did life feel after recovery?
As per me, myself being a cricketer, so I call it a second innings of mine. After cancer, before cancer. I take it as an opportunity to do things that I couldn't do before. I started playing cricket again. I started running, which I never used to do in my earlier days. I always used to fear, like, I found it very boring. I used to play cricket and other sports, but gymming and running was not my cup of tea. But now I want to challenge my body. I want to see whether I can do it or not. And once I train my mind to do a thing, your body accepts the challenge and it starts responding. I started with 500 meters of running in November 24, and within 3 months, I was running half marathon. So it's all in your mind. Today's medical science has advanced so much. If it is diagnosed within time, cancer is treatable.
What would you tell someone just diagnosed with cancer?
What has been done, it has been done. You can't undo that. It has happened. You have to get your treatment, and doctors will do their job. What you can do, only you can do. Have a positive frame of mind. Make your efforts, strengthen your mind. Enemy has entered your body. You are the king of your body. Doctors are your generals. They will fight it out. You just have to train your mind. For me, one thing worked. I started making bucket list. What will I do after getting the treatment done? What will I do in my second innings of life? You never know what God has chosen for you. The way I made my bucket list today, I can say I have been able to accomplish many of those things. Those little things give you energy to bounce back, and that is very important for anyone to look forward.
How crucial is early diagnosis?
Every person must get regular health checkups, whether you are fit or not. Annual checkups, blood tests, all that are prescribed by doctors must be done.
How can someone today stay motivated?
I think you must have some hobbies in your life. They will keep you going. You must do what makes you happy. Apart from your daily course of routine work, you should have something to look forward to after coming back from your office, your daily course. Whether it's any sport, reading books, going out with your family, your friends, singing, dancing, anything. You should enjoy your life and live life to the fullest. Cancer tested my body, treatment healed my body, my mindset helped me transform, and finally I triumphed from this disease. So, tested, treated, and triumphed.